Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to combine different elements in the world of prompts. As you can see here, everything starts with prompt for generative applications. To learn more about prompts, please check out our previous videos. The link is provided in the description. Join us for another exciting topic, prompt composition in LangChain. Stay connected. Let's start with the agenda for this session. First, we'll start with an introduction to prompt composition, providing a thorough overview. Next, we'll delve into string prompt composition, followed by a coding session for composing string prompts. We'll then explore chat prompt composition, followed by a coding session to compose chat prompts. Finally, we'll discuss pipeline prompts, followed by a coding session to implement pipeline prompts. Let's get started with our first topic, Introduction to Prompt Composition. Let's start by exploring a basic question. What exactly is prompt composition and its purpose? Prompt composition is a user-friendly interface used to combine different prompts together, making each prompt a part of a new, unified prompt. This approach ensures the reusability of existing prompts and orchestrates them effectively. Prompt composition is applicable to both string prompts and chat prompts. Plus operator and pipeline prompt template class helps to combine different prompts. Let's explore different prompt composition methods, one by one, starting with the concatenation of string prompts. String prompt composition is mainly used for formatting inputs to LLM models. In this composition, prompts are concatenated together using plus operator. String prompts and string prompt templates are concatenated as a result of this composition. The only rule to follow here is that the first element in the concatenation should be a prompt or prompt template. We cannot compose string prompts or string prompt template with chat prompts. Shall we compose string prompts now? Let's kick off our coding journey by importing the necessary libraries. We have different prompts parameterized with variables, and let us use plus operator to perform string prompt composition and analyze the newly formed prompt. The newly formed prompt has 3 different variables, each derived from 3 different input prompts. This is created as a prompt template. We can perform format and invoke operations on this prompt template one by one to observe its behavior. It appears there is no significant difference observed here. Now let's explore what we should avoid in prompt composition. Let us perform another string composition with the first element as a string, followed by prompt templates. Let's observe the result. Oh, the system is throwing an error. We can infer that the system reads the first element as a string and expects the remaining elements to be strings as well. It doesn't allow a prompt template to be concatenated with strings. Before we proceed to the next example, we need to import the human message prompt and let us compose a string prompts with a chat prompt and observe the system's behavior. Now we can see that concatenation is not possible for a human message prompt. Can we do the reverse by composing chat prompt with a string prompt and analyze the result? Oh, what? Concatenation is also not possible for a prompt template, so it is clear that it is not possible to compose chat and string prompts in any way. That's all for string prompt composition. Let's move on to the next composition method, which is chat prompt composition in detail. Chat prompt composition deals with concatenation of message prompts and message prompt templates. It helps in orchestrating prompts in chat applications. Wait, we already know that one of the features in LangChain performs a similar function, which is none other than the chat prompt template. Now we start to think, why do we have 2 features doing the same functionalities? Let us see the difference. In chat prompt template, we can add message prompts and message prompt templates, either using the .template method or the just message method of chat prompt templates. In chat prompt composition, we can add them directly without using these methods. In chat prompt template, we cannot add strings directly. Here it is possible, and they will be treated as a human message prompt if we don't use variables, or a human message prompt template if we use variables. Here also, the first element in the composition should be either a message prompt or a message prompt template. Very exciting indeed. Let us jump into some action. Wow, it is created as an instance of the chat prompt template, and we have done this without using the chat prompt template class. We can also see that the string is automatically converted as a human message prompt template. Let us format and invoke the chat prompt template we just created. From the result, we can see it behaves like a chat prompt template prompt. With minimal code, we have orchestrated prompts required for chat applications. This is all possible with the help of the chat prompt composition feature. Let's wrap up the coding session for chat prompt composition and move on to pipeline prompts, which involve parameterizing the prompts themselves. We will see that in detail next. Pipeline prompt helps in reuse of existing prompts. It parameterizes not just variables, but prompts or prompt template itself. It consists of two parts. One is the final prompt, and the other is the pipeline prompt. Let us see them one by one. Pipeline prompts are the prompts that we are going to parameterize as variable in new prompt. Pipeline prompts can be inputted as list of tuples containing string names and prompts. Final prompt is returned after formatted pipeline prompts are provided as inputs. All right, enough with the concepts. Let's be practical. First, we will import the pipeline prompt template class from the prompt library. Next, let us create a prompt template which we will call the final prompt. We can see that full prompt has 3 variables, and we will define them one by one. First, we will start with the introduction prompt template. Then we will proceed to the example prompt template, and finally, we will define the start prompt template. Next, we are going to define a list of tuples containing the variables of the prompt template as one element and the defined prompt names as the other element. So far, we have initialized the final prompt, defined 3 different prompts separately, and created a list of tuples containing the relationship between the defined prompts and final prompt variables. Let us merge them all using the pipeline prompt template and see the newly created prompt. We see that all the pipeline prompts variables become variables of the new prompt, and the pipeline prompts become variables of the final prompt. So all the prompts are composed together using the pipeline prompt template. Let us format it with our inputs. Let's wrap up the coding session here, and we will catch up on the next interesting topic in our series. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for new updates.